Handstand, wall-facing, split balance to straight. The wall-facing handstand, split balance to straight handstand is an intermediate handstand drill designed to improve your balance, alignment, and control as you progress towards mastering the handstand. This exercise specifically helps you learn how to create stability and control in a straight freestanding handstand, while also improving your split kick-up ability. The goal is to find balance in the split handstand before you bring the feet together and hold the straight handstand. Here's how it works. When practicing the split balance to straight handstand against the wall, the distance between your hands and the wall will influence the size of your split and your ability to maintain balance. The further the hands are from the wall, the wider the leg split will be, making balance easier for beginners. The closer the hands are to the wall, the smaller the split balance will be, and it can limit your ability to find balance if you're too close. The smaller the split, the harder it is to balance, but this helps you progress towards a straight freestanding handstand. Experiment with different distances to find your optimal position for your skill level. Getting into position. If you're using P-bars, place your hands firmly on them and then walk your feet up the wall. Without P-bars, you can perform a simple wall walk to walk your feet up the wall. Once in the handstand, it's essential to elevate the shoulders and create a slight amount of shoulder external rotation. Let me explain. When you grip the P-bars or place your hands on the floor, the elbow pits will often point inwards towards each other. If you twist your hands into the P-bars or into the floor towards your pinky fingers, the elbow pits will rotate to point slightly forward. This movement comes from the external rotation of the shoulders, and it helps to create both tension and stability in the shoulder capsule, which obviously helps balance and control the handstand. This action will also help you to keep your elbows locked and the arms straight. You also want to focus on elevating your shoulders, pushing tall. Can you get the shoulders to cover your ears when you actively push tall into the floor? Next, you must set the pelvis into a posterior pelvic tilt, our PPT, by contracting your glutes and tucking your tailbone between your legs. This position helps prevent excessive arching of the lower back and avoiding the common banana handstand. It also helps to create tension in the body, which allows us to control how the body balances over the hands. Finding balance. You want to keep the foot on the wall and use it to help position the body into a vertical alignment. Do not push off the wall into balance. Use the foot on the wall to gently guide you into alignment. You want to align the wrists, elbows, shoulders, hips, and your top leg in a straight vertical line while keeping the other foot on the wall. Common mistakes to avoid here. Number one is closing the shoulder angle. You need to keep the shoulders open by continuously pushing tall. Do not allow the shoulders to move away from the wall, as this will close the shoulder angle, wrecking your alignment and making it harder to find balance. Number two is do not arch the lower back. Maintain the PPT by engaging your glutes. And number three is trying not to overshoot the top leg. Keep your top leg aligned vertically to avoid arching your lower back or losing control. Once aligned, gently lift your foot from the wall, transitioning into a freestanding split handstand. Find balance in the split before you bring the feet together. It's best not to rush the process of joining the legs. You want to find balance in the split and then join the legs, just like you would in a split kick up to handstand. Keep the legs straight, the quads contracted, the toes pointed, and the PPT as you hold the straight handstand for the prescribed time, which can be anywhere from 5 to 60 seconds depending on your current ability. The split handstand to straight handstand can be performed for repetitions with short holds or simply for long holds. You can work on your dominant side or you can alternate legs between reps and sets. This all depends on your goals and current ability levels. For most beginners, it's best to do 4 to 8 reps with a 5-second hold in the straight handstand on each rep. As control and balance improves, you can lower the number of repetitions and start to increase the hold times. Give it a try and see how you go. If you have questions or feedback, feel free to leave them in the comments. If you found this helpful, please let us know.